Buying an AMG gives you lots of great perks. There's the free AMG Owners Program where you get to drive on a racetrack. Some models even come with a full year of free subscription to the popular music streaming platform Tidal. But what if I told you that Mercedes Benz themselves run a secret website just for AMG owners? You have to own AMG to access it. It's called the Private Lounge.
If you check the glove box, you'll find this invitation to the AMG Private Lounge. The AMG Private Lounge is a website ran by AMG specifically for AMG owners. In this video, we're going to use my invitation from the CLA45s to sign up, and I'm going to reveal all the secrets. The first thing we need to do is create our account. Once you've signed up, you can access exclusive news and stories and everything AMG. Then we have a nice list of all the upcoming official AMG events. They have everything from driving experiences to factory tours. But the real AMG Private Lounge opens up once you authorize your account with your car. This is going to give us access to an amazing community of AMG owners, which I'll now show you. Okay, so now we have access to the full AMG Private Lounge. Now that we've registered too, we can also get this free AMG Private Lounge members window sticker. Simply fill out the form below and you will receive this for your car. Before we jump into the community, let's set up a little profile with our car and add some photos. Now, I've got some lovely photos here that I took with the CLA45s. You can also include details of your car, like the model, the year, and how long you've owned it. Now let's jump into the community section. First, we have the official AMG boards with announcements, the Driving Academy, AMG history, AMG giveaways. There's so many boards to browse and read. Then we have the AMG owners community, where you can introduce yourself, discuss general topics, share your car, your garage, AMG experiences, and even organize AMG member meets. They also have class-specific boards where you can find out information and ask questions about your exact model. Let's jump into the introduction board and see how friendly the community is. Here's new member Marino with his lovely yellow A35. Marino, if you watch my videos, a huge congratulations, your car looks stunning. You can see here that the community is lovely and friendly, and even Mercedes employees read and reply to posts. Here's another one, and this time it's the gorgeous AMG GTR in this rare orange colour. And I've got to show you guys this post from Brendan, who looks absolutely over the moon with his new CLA45. I just love looking through and seeing all the members and the excitement and the joy they get from their cars. Let's create our own welcome post to see how friendly the community is. So here's my post. We will check it back later in this video to see if anyone has replied. Now let's take a look at some of the posts in the general section. This person is swapping their engine cover but wants to keep the original signed AMG plaque, so they're asking for the best way to remove it. Someone has helpfully mentioned the best way is to remove it similar to exterior badges, using fishing wire. Here we have a brilliant story that someone shared about how they sold all their cars so they could daily drive this gorgeous C63 Black Series. There's another great thread here too, where everyone's sharing who made their AMG engines thanks to the signed plaques. Another great part of this forum is the members' rides. Here people can share their pride and joys, like this classic W204 C63. I absolutely love the naturally aspirated V8 engine. And there's modern AMGs too, like Sam's new A35. If you're watching, Sam, I love your car in this Mojave silver. Assuming I'm pronouncing that correctly. Now let's take a look at the car specific boards. Here on the CLA board, we can find lots of questions and advice from owners. Like this one here on the grey Magno paint. Wayne is looking for advice on how to take care and maintain the Magno paint finish. Now, I actually have a full video series on how I take care of my Magno paint if anyone is thinking of buying a car in this colour. So overall, the AMG Private Lounge is an amazing community of AMG owners with lots of great conversations, knowledge and advice. Now let's see if we've had any activity in my welcome post. Looks like we've got lots of replies already. First is this nice reply from AMG welcoming me to the Private Lounge. Tigo is asking if I'm coming to the Stockport Summer Meet. We're actually good friends with Stockport here on the channel. I did a full tour of the amazing Mercedes Benz of Stockport last year, and we even filmed my car's first service there too. Another nice welcome from Taxi027, and a warm welcome from Goari, who recognised me from YouTube. I'd replied here and shared a few of my videos, and AMG replied and said they like them, which is so nice to see. As you can see, the Private Lounge is such a friendly community of fellow AMG owners and enthusiasts. So there we have it, guys. That's a little peek at the amazing AMG Private Lounge. If you have an AMG, I highly recommend you check it out and join the community of passionate fellow AMG owners. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give us a like to help support the channel. And I've popped 2 other videos on screen that I think you might enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.